A newly released plan from House Republicans would slash Medicaid spending by at least $880 billion. It would help cover and preserve about $4.5 trillion in tax breaks in President Trump's budget bill. Those were approved during his first term in 2017. They're expiring at the end of the year. A preliminary estimate from the Congressional Budget Office says the proposal would reduce the number of people with health care by 8.6 million over the decade. CBS News congressional reporter Taurean Small joins us now. Taurean, what's the reaction to this from lawmakers on both sides?
Well, Lindsay, expectantly from Democrats, we saw House leadership, especially in the Democratic ranks, come out and say that this is a disaster for Americans, a part of this crucial safety net program. In fact, Frank Pallone, who is the ranking Democrat on the House Energy and Commerce Committee, that's the panel that has these safety net programs in its purview. He said that this could impact and take health care away from tens of millions of Americans. It's not just Democrats, though, that are potentially worried about the impact to these safety net programs. Derek Van Orden, the Republican congressman from Wisconsin, put out a point of order last week encouraging Republicans to slow down on these negotiations for this budget bill. He argued that they should look at protecting Medicaid and preserving SNAP, so federal food stamp programs, in whatever resolution that they put forward for this reconciliation bill, because he knows it impacts many of his constituents. Republican leadership, though, House Speaker Mike Johnson said that, look, they are looking to cut about $880 billion in what he's calling fraud, waste, and abuse from the Medicaid program, not looking to take away this crucial service to those who need it.
In addition to potential cuts, what changes are being planned for eligibility and funding?
Yeah, a big thing that Republicans are looking to add to Medicaid program is work requirements. This is something that Republicans have been talking about for a while now, especially when it comes to these safety net programs. But specifically here, they're looking to include work requirements or schooling requirements for those enrolled in this program. They would also require, if you don't qualify for either of those, about 80 hours a month of volunteer work, so community engagement programs, in order to be eligible for this. Again, Democrats are saying that this is just another excuse or another way for Republicans to kick off people in dire need of this program from this social net service.
The House Ways and Means Committee is planning to increase the cap for the state and local tax deduction known as SALT to $30,000 for filers who make $400,000 or less. It comes after 4 lawmakers vocally rejected the proposal last week. Remind us what the SALT cap is and what are their concerns.
Yeah, this would essentially provide deduction for those high state and local taxes for states like California, for Texas, for New York, which is why we've seen Republicans really hold the line, at least just a handful of them hold the line when it comes to negotiations, because they're unsatisfied with this $30,000 proposal. It's interesting. There's a crucial juxtaposition between how Speaker Johnson categorizes these negotiations, saying just this morning that he believes things are going in a positive direction. But members, especially Republican members of what's known as the SALT caucus, are saying that this proposal, this leaked proposal, what they are saying is a slap in the face. This isn't done in good faith, and they want a more fair deal when it comes to these SALT deductions. What they're looking at is essentially a one-to-one. They want these federal deductions to essentially equal the amount, and especially in these high state and local taxes.
Taurean Small, thank you.